Let's go to the trees.
Oh no,
An awesome spot.
that is dangerous. You can't be near the trees.
You know, next to the trees.
This is the steepest one.
Actually,
See how it's more of a grade like this? You need it up like that to make you go fast.
you know, if you want to go to the highest spot, follow me. They don't water this area, so the grass is all dead and flat.
Yeah, this side of the fire hydrant is good too.
And you may want to get out of the way. Oh!
Woo! All right. Jackson, you gonna throw some rocks? Skip one for me.
See this? Not good fishing ground. See this?
Yeah?
That's tiny roads in my fishing. Not good.
Is that a shell?
Yep.
Oh my gosh, it's so little. Yeah?
This is this is my only catch from there.
Cool.
Only one. Oh, it's Scashio.